So I'm taking more example of dictionaries and I'm creating a color dictionary with keys and value pairs. And I say rock, which is brown, trees, green, apple, red, banana, yellow. And I call for, I'll just find it like, sorry, color dictionary. So this is a dictionary. Color dictionary dot keys. It will show its keys. Color dictionary dot values. It is showing its values. Color dictionary dot items. All the items, all the pairs in form of a list. If I update color dictionary and I say update as rock color black, so it has been updated. Let's see the updated dictionary. Rock is now black. So there are more enhanced features in dictionaries and more enhanced operations that can be applied. Let's just check. I'll create an integer dictionary now. Integer dictionary, which is 10 is to, let's see, some computer language C++, 20 is to Java, 30 is to Python. There is no sense with this dictionary, I'm just taking this for an example. And 40 is to Ruby. Now what is the integer dictionary? Show me. It is my integer dictionary. I can call it keys, integer dictionary dot values, integer dictionary dot items. So these are the items, values, and keys in the dictionary, and I can adding new key, integer dictionary dot update. 50 is to HTML, and I say show me the updated integer dictionary. This is 50 HTML has been added in the last. By default, it adds in the last. And this was adding a new key. We can update in existing key as well. Integer dictionary dot update I say make Ruby for this 40 Ruby. I want to make this in place of Ruby. I want to name it C sharp. C sharp was also a computer language. So now we have C sharp updated here. So there's a internal function delete by which we can delete a key as well by using delete dictionary name and the key name of the particular pair. So let's say now 50 has been 50 HTML has been deleted. Or we can use pop function if we want. Instead of delete we can use pop function for deleting our key pair. Dictionary name dot pop and under parentheses give the key name. It is saying it is Python. Let's see in teacher dictionary. So 30 is also removed now.